Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show to you how the way I create this kind of text effect on Canva application. So the things that you need to do, first you need to open a new page or a new project on your Canva and then insert a text onto this blank page. So for example, I'm going to type maybe a leaves like this and change the font onto this 210 black box font, Korean font, this one. Change it onto this font and then go back again and increase the size of the font just like this. The next step that you need to do, you just need to change the color of it onto white color, or maybe you can try this step. First, insert an image onto this page. For example, I'm going to adding this leaves image and increase the size of it just like this. The next step, click the text and change the color of the text onto white color just like this, and then go to the element section and open the elements, then insert the shape, insert a shape onto this page, this one. Increase the size of it and make sure it has the same color as the background color. So change it onto white color just like this and duplicate it, put it on top of the text like this, positioning it, and now duplicate one more time. The point is you need to make sure it's cover all of the background like this. Duplicate it and put it on this side. And then the next step, you just need to insert an element onto this text by clicking the elements and find the elements that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to adding these leaf shadows and put it on this side, increase the size of it just like this. And then the next part, I'm going to insert a leaves image leaves element, sorry. Okay, and then the elements I'm going to use maybe these elements, this one. Decrease the size of it, positioning it, and put it on the exact position that you want to add these leaves. Okay, like this, and then go to the layers, put the leaves behind of the text just like this, and now you can duplicate the leaves and positioning it, and you can crop it like this to create this appearing effect like this. Wait for a moment, let me positioning it. Okay, and then the next step, you just need to go to layers again and select these two element of leaves and duplicate it and positioning it on the exact position that you want to add this element. So for me, I'm going to put it on this E, put it there. Same as previously, you need to go to the layers and click this second image and put it behind of the text like this. Don't forget to crop it like this to create this appearing effect just like that. And then the next step, you can duplicate it again and put it on the exact position that you want to create a nice effect onto the text. And when you're done adding the element onto your text, now the next step, you just need to click a new text to make it much more smooth or interesting. So I'm typing this text, okay, and then change the color onto a green color. Click change all, sorry, my bad. Click the text and then change the color onto green color like this. Put it on this side. And then the next step, go to the effect and add this leaf effect. Click it to increase the intensity of the leaf onto 80, just like this. If you want to make it much more wider, you can go to the spacing and then increase the letter spacing from this text. And now it's done. And that's the way how to create this typography effect on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.